There's always a doctor in the house with the Smart Chart Medical Kit from VTech. This fun medical doctor set with interactive healthcare tablet creates great imaginative play for little future physicians. Touch the Play tablet to hear about the human body, check symptoms, and learn how to help patients.
Hi, doctor. It's time to start seeing some patients.
Dress up in the Play Doctor costume. Explore medical tools to treat cough, fever, cuts, and more. Little ones will learn as they answer questions to find out ways to keep healthy and take care of their body.
The rib bones protect the heart and lungs. Can you touch the rib bones? Yes, nice job, doctor.
Tools can be easily stored in the medical bag when playtime is done. Bring playtime fun to little future physicians as they learn and explore with the Smart Chart Medical Kit from VTech.